Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here at meron akong samples na ipapakita sa inyo, no, mga video samples ko at saka ni-render ko at inedit ko using this brand new Akaso 360 camera, no. So if you're on my social media or my FB page or Instagram, may mga samples akong pinost doon, mga clips, mga short clips. But etong video ko ngayon, it's a compilation of videos na ginamitan ko ng Akaso 360 camera, no. So makita nyo dito yung mga different kinds of angles, mga 360 angle na rin din. So all of this video content are shot with the Akaso 360 camera from Akaso Philippines na available sa Camera House, na pwede nyo itong bilhin, no. Si Camera House is selling the standard combo for around 11,000 pesos. Tapos yung creator combo na may kasamang tatlong battery, charging case at invisible stick, nasa 15,000 plus pesos. Para mga 15,998 yung pricing niya for the creator combo. At for the standard combo, mga 11,998 yung pricing niya sa Camera House, no. You can order it or buy it directly sa store nila. Alright, so wala na paligoy-ligoy pa, no. Let's vlog. Let me show to you yung mga video samples ko shot in 360 degrees angle, in multi-angle. Parang this is a shoot first then reframe later using the Akaso 360 camera. Okay, panoorin nyo to. Let's do this. Parang SJ ka? Maaraw. Kaya ayoko mag-event dito. Ayaw kasi naulan. Pwede balik kami dito. Parang launching, oh. Tapos yung cringe. We're here in Finestra in Soler. Just finished our Sunday brunch. Sarap. So ayan, nakita mo yung the entire restaurant. At yung harapan namin na may dagat na maglabi. Super okay. My baby girl. Kilala ka?
Hello.
Agad to. Pwede tayo maglakad sa loob ng tren.
Ang susunod na estasyon ay Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station.
Pero okay din.
Next station, Ninoy Aquino Avenue Station.
Ito delikado ito. Pwede mabilis ang takbo. Oh my God, mabilis ang takbo. ngipin. Bye, Mark. Let's go. Tayo. Diba sa 360, nagagalaw mo to. Ito hindi.
Hindi.
Ito mo lang yun, oh. Sorry, cute.
Very crisp.
Thank you everyone. Definitely, we will see each other again in our next activities of Acaso. But let's know the reaction of some people here with us this afternoon. So let me go around and ask the opinion of our guests here. Let's start from this area. Let's talk naman with our media partners. Dito tayo sa kabilang side of the area, the ever-famous. Here in front. Hi, sir! Having some, travel videos, travel content with the Acaso 360. What's your name first?
Alright, napanood nyo na, no, yung mga video samples ko. Magpo-post pa ako na madami and I'll be doing a vlog test. Magba-vlog tayo using this. Grabe, medyo matindi, no? So, yung ginawa ko, no, in-edit ko, ni-reframe ko yung buong videos using the Acaso 360 app sa aking mobile phone. So, ito yung app, Acaso 360 app sa aking mobile phone. In-install ko yan sa aking Honor Magic V3 para mabilis siyang mag-render. I tried the Acaso 360 Studio app sa aking PC. Medyo mabagal yung render niya. But using the smartphone, mas mabilis siyang mag-render. Mas suggest ko sa smartphone kayo mag-render ng mga video kasi mas mabilis siya. Okay, that's the end of my video. No? Sana nagustuhan ninyo. No? I'll be doing more of it. I'll be posting a lot of samples para mapakita ninyo. Ang papakita ko sa inyo na the budget 360 camera, it's very effective, it's very useful. Okay na ako, I'm very happy with it. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video, vlog, and video. Thank you Acaso and Camera House for this unit na pang-testing natin. Nakapag-share na naman tayo ng magandang content para sa lahat. Alright.